Well, today's project is a little more involved than some of the ones that I work on. So I had this little plant stand at the end of my driveway, and it was very cute. It had a little canopy over it, and it was all decorated and everything. Well, a storm came through and completely shredded the roof, which was just a thin nylon tent-like material. So we covered it with a tarp, which is super ugly, and that did okay for a week or two. And now we've ordered a gazebo to replace the tarp. So we're going to take down what's there, clean it all out, and start over again on the inside part. So my husband's been working on emptying everything out, and just got a few more things, and then we are going to work on putting up the new gazebo. So we got the tarp off, got it cleaned out, and this is the old frame that we're going to take down, and then we're going to put up the new, more sturdy one. I'm thinking this one will be pretty good in the garden. I can cover it with that bug netting, and it'll make a great big area like for lettuce and things that don't need to be pollinated. All right, so yesterday we got the frame up, and today we're starting to work on framing up the top. So this is going to be at least a 2-day project. Get a little more of the roof framing up. So to put the track on the sides, we laid them all out. This is the roof. And we had to install tracking on the sides so it'll fit into the grooves in the top panels. The first set is installed here. And it was not a very easy process, actually. Okay, the framing's all done, roof is all done. All we have left to do is hang up the cloth sides. Finally, back up and running. I've got my gazebo built, and I've got my produce back in there. I've got solar lighting installed, so at night people can still shop and it'll be cute. So it's time to think about what my next project will be. Happy gardening!